Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Fidelity index funds. First, you'll need to open a Fidelity brokerage account. Decide if a Roth IRA, traditional IRA, or taxable brokerage account best suits your financial goals. Gather your personal details like your social security number and bank information. Then, complete the straightforward online application, which usually takes just a few minutes to set up your new investment home. Once your account is open, the next step is to fund it. You can easily link your bank account to transfer money or set up recurring deposits. After funding, it's time to select your index funds. Fidelity offers many options, so take time to research. Look for funds with low expense ratios and a history of strong performance that align with your investment strategy. Now let's make a purchase. Log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the Trade section. Enter the ticker symbol of the index fund you've chosen. Specify the dollar amount you wish to invest or the number of shares. Carefully review all the details of your order before confirming. Once confirmed, your investment will be processed. After purchasing your index funds, it's important to monitor your investments. Regularly check your portfolio's performance and consider rebalancing to maintain your desired asset allocation over time. This helps ensure your investments stay aligned with your long-term goals. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals by clicking the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy while you focus on your investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.